In this video, we are going to look at how to work out proportion. These are key topics that feature in every exam. They are also skills that you will need in your everyday and working life. Think about having a recipe that serves 10 people, but needing to make enough for 35. So what is proportion? Proportion is all about working out the relationship between variables, which is in the form of a ratio, and finding a scale factor so that the ratio stays the same. Let's look at an example. Sam has a recipe for chocolate chip cookies. The recipe is for 10 people and requires 300 grams of chocolate chips. But Sam wants to make enough cookies for 35 people, so needs to work out how many chocolate chips she needs. The first thing you need to do is work out the ratio of people to chocolate chips. The ratio for 10 people needs 300 grams of chocolate chips, so the ratio is 10 to 300. Sam wants to make cookies for 35 people, so let's start by finding how many chocolate chips one person will get. We can do this by sharing the 300 grams out by the 10 people. 300 divided by 10 is 30. So one person needs 30 grams of chocolate chips, and so our ratio is now 1 to 30. From here we can work out that if one person needs 30 grams of chocolate chips, then 35 people will need 35 times 30 grams of chocolate chips. 30 times 35 is 1050. So Sam will need 1050 grams of chocolate chips to make her cookies. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have picked up some useful information about how to work out proportion.